Dito kami ngayon sa kabilang kwarto. Mag-uunti-unti na kaming maglagay sa aming mga maleta. Nilabas na namin yung 4 na maleta. Yan pala yung 2. That's from Jarna. Photo album. Yung mga personal namin na mga gamit, kami na yung maglalagay sa maleta. And the rest, yung mga hindi ganun ka-importante, yung mga movers and packers na yung bahala. Dito yung aming mga documents, mga ganun. Mga gamit ko to sa kasal, guys. Andito pa rin, tinatago ko siya. Okay, that's your bag, okay? You pack whatever you want to pack, okay? That's photos. Auntie Jarna made this for mommy. Look. This daddy and mommy.
Where's me?
You're not there yet.
There's mommy.
See, who's that?
Mommy.
It's mommy. Who's this?
Mommy.
Effort to ni Jarna dati eh. Yung kaibigan ni Honey. Best friend ni Honey sa trabaho. Winelcome niya ako with this photo
Yes.
journal.
I don't get my toys.
Diba? Gandang-ganda. Gandang-ganda sa sarili. Mga photos na.
This one should be expired now.
So this is the conclusion. Happened faster than I thought, or a lifetime with perspective, end of an era after all. So where do you go at the end of the road, or what do you say when it's done? And how do I stand at the end of the show and say goodbye to everyone? Don't be sad because it's over. Be glad that you have something good to miss. Don't be sad because it's over. Cause you already got what you wish. Don't be sad because it's over. My friend, did you enjoy the ride? The ups and the downs that you battled through, the silent wars of life. So where do you go at the end of the night, when all the chairs are stacked? How can you know the way to go forward when you can't stop looking back? Don't be sad because it's over. Be glad that you had something good to miss. Don't be sad because it's over. Cause you already got what you wish. Don't be sad because it's over.
Our lunch. What are you cooking?
Mother paneer.
Actually, ako yung nag-start nito. Pero siya yung nag-continue. Kasi naiinggit siya kapag nagluluto ako. Nakikisabay din. Gusto din na siya magluto. So, matar paneer for lunch. Actually, late na to. So, late na din kasi kami nag-breakfast. What time did we have breakfast? 10:30, 11.
Yeah.
Late na. So, medyo busog pa naman kami. Meron pa akong natirang fresh cream dito from our farewell party. So, we're going to add that on our matar paneer. Parang gagawin namin siyang butter paneer. Butter
paneer.
Let it simmer. And pag na-reduce na yung water. And then we'll add this one. Na yung aming matar paneer or green peas, cottage cheese with cream. Creamy siya. Parang hindi siya Indian style na curry. How much you've eaten now?
So much.
You like it?
Okay.
Kain tayo.
Take one, huh?
Partner ko, jackfruit and mango pickles. Sa gilid. What are you eating?
Orange.
Tell them, I am eating orange.
I'm eating orange.
Nagutom siya. Gusto niya ng snacks. What did you find?
Pancit Canton.
Pancit Canton. This is the sweet and spicy. Lucky me. Ito na yung last na packet from the Philippines. The no more Pancit Canton. Nakamiss din minsan kumain ng Pancit Canton. Before, what is your favorite Pancit Canton, Daddy?
I don't remember.
The chili mansi
All are good. I like all Pancit Canton.
and mee goreng.
First
But mee
was
goreng
Migore.
is the Indonesian. What is it?
First was Migore,
Malaysian.
but you're given from Dubai.
Yeah, it was really good.
That was good because of the chili. No, the garlic and onion. This thing,
Fried.
fried onion, the flakes.
Chili mansi ito. Maybe this one you will like. Spicy one. This one is like big packet na. Bigger versus regular pack. Someone is calling. Hinihintay namin actually si Stella na dumating. Pero siguro mamayang gabi pa. Plus size na ngayon eh. Special treatment today. Ako yung nag-trim sa kanya. And gusto ni Mishka na siya yung naglalagay nitong shaving foam.
I'll give you.
Daddy, no.
Very good. Yes.
You could do hair salon, Mishka.
Yeah, Daddy is in a hair salon. We are giving him treatment.
Is sitting down, Daddy?
Just relax, Daddy.
Don't move.
Don't move. Here pa. Mimi, here.
It's too loud.
This side. This side. Tell Daddy, relax, Daddy, relax. Mimi is giving you,
Hair salon.
yeah, special treatment. Lalabas kami ngayon. Kasi tapos na din kami maghapunan. Alas 8 na, guys. Kailangan kasi namin bumili ng mga gulay. Hindi naman marami. Yung ano lang, pang ilang araw lang. Kasi wala na kaming sibuyas, kamatis, patatas. I will carry it down. Pero hindi naman ganoon kadami talaga yung bibilhin namin. Yung enough lang for this week lang siguro.
This is for safety, baby.
Where's our market bag? Where's our market bag? Here.
Sure.
Ito na yung helmet ni Mishka. Let's go! You have to wait ha. Daddy will take out the helmet pa. Okay, abhin na helmet. Andyan din sa loob eh. Give Daddy the market bag. No? Okay. Tara, let's. Ilang araw din kasi kami hindi nakalabas. And then 2 days yung holiday live update. Hindi kami lumabas kahapon. Nag-aya siya ngayon na mag-stroll daw kami. Buti na lang meron pang bukas na nagsisinda ng mga prutas. Halos lahat kasi ng mga tindahan close na guys dahil Eid. Yeah, that's cherry. Small pomegranate. Meron na silang dates. Fresh dates. And what do you want, Mimi? What fruit do you want? Daddy?
Grapes are not good.
Not good. Daddy said it's not good. It's not sweet. It's sour. Next time we will buy. Kasi itong ganito, bilog na grapes. Hindi yan matamis eh. Asim siya. Unlike sa yung pahaba na green grapes. Matamis yun. Ito, bilog. Daddy will buy cherry. Guro ay. Jamu.
What is doggy doing?
How much, Daddy? Check na if it's rotten or not. This one. Daddy.
मीठा है चेरी.
What is it?
It's good.
Huh?
Like, how much is kilo?
200 rupees.
Not right, pa.
पका हुआ नहीं है क्या?
So,
Will try chop. You like chop?
yeah, chop gali, chops. Meron kami nadaanan ditong bagong bukas. Fians. Soya chop. This Afghani chop, what did you order?
Afghani.
Afghani. Ito yung paborito ko nung pumunta kami dati sa Patiala. Nung andun pa si Hani doon naka-assign. Ito yung paborito ko yung soya chop na Afghani. Meron din pala silang moton momos. An? Come here pala. They also have moton momos.
Huh?
Moton. Here? First time ko makakita nito. Meron yung moton. What do you want?
You ordered Afghani chop.
Okay. Parang big girl na si Mishka guys. Lalo na nung nakasuot siya ng kanyang helmet. Parang ang laki-laki na niyang bata. So beautiful lights. Model yan. Model. Are you a model? Go walk towards there and then you come back. Oh, model. Oh. Very good, Michi. Model. Okay, all done. Go. Oh. Model. Okay, go. Yung nakita niya sa video ng modeling, ginagaya niya. Ano yung aming soya chop. Excited. Yay!
Wait.
Wait. Wash your hands.
Come here.
Ito na yung aming Afghani soya chop. Isa ito sa paborito ko eh.
Bacolor. Soya chop.
Thank you. Mishi, it's here na. Come here. Huh? Come on. Come here. Is it good?
How's that?
Good. Mishi, it's good. Yummy. In fairness, ang sarap guys. Yummy. Sarap, diba? Dito naman kami ngayon sa dry fruits shop. Dito daw sa Abdi ng dried blueberry. Para kay Mishka. Wala kaming nabiling mga gulay guys. Puro prutas lang itong nabili namin. Sabi na doon na lang sa baba daw ako bibili ng gulay bukas. Meron kaming orange. Tapos ito, cherry and jamon. Ano to sa atin eh? Kalimutan ko kung anong tawag nito sa atin. What is that? Chocolate. Binilan siya namin ng isang chocolate doon sa dry fruits shopping. Tapos ito mangga. 2 kilo siguro to. Itong avocado na to guys. 1 kilo, 200 rupees. Daddy's dancing. Tapos ito naman, pang snacks ni Mishka namin. Blueberry and dates. Meron pa naman kaming dates pero konti na lang. Magkano yung blueberry? 240, 100 grams. Yung dates, ano to? 250 grams, 375. Yung isang ganito guys. Meron pa naman kaming isang klase ng dates, pero ito parang iba din ata. Yes? You wanna wash hands? Grabe. 250 grams na to. Ang malalaki kasi to siya compare dito sa... Ito, premium dates din itong nabili namin sa D-Mart. Ito medyo mas malaki siya in size. Kasi mahilig si Mishka sa dates, mga dry fruits. So, ito, nilalagay ko din sa kanyang oats. Tapos, ito na yung blueberry. Maganda daw sa skin ito, kaya 3 kami yung kakain ito. Let me try it. I can add this on her oats also. Alas 10 na, and darating daw si Stella 10:30. Is it? 10:30 na. 10:30, she will arrive at the bus stop, but she will have to travel from the bus stop to here pa.
1 hour.
1 hour. So, 11:30 or 12 pa siya darating dito. You wanna try this, cherry?
Wash it.
Si Mishka, excited na siya kanina pa na kumain ng cherry. Hindi ako mahilig nito, pero sabi gusto niya kasi basta mga fruits. Gusto niya na bumibili para kay Mishka. Mimi, look at this cherry, oh. Go wash your hands and wash your feet, then you can have cherries. Good. Good. No, I have to wash first. Go wash your hands and wash your feet. Wow, that's good. Should we this? Plant this. Yung akin, lagyan ko na guys, condensed milk. Dati hindi yan siya kumakain ng avocado. Ngayon bumili siya.
It's healthy.
Yeah, it's healthy. But before you are not eating, you're a changed man. Hindi si Abby mahilig like bumili-bili ng snacks. Like hindi compulsory para sa kanya yung kailangan bumili kami ng mga snacks. Pero pag lalabas kami, kailangan meron kaming mabili ng mga prutas. Tingnan niyo. Lagyan na fruit salad. Combination ng cherry, jamon, and avocado. Bumibili lang kami siguro ng mga snacks if like may inaasahan kami na bisita or minsan nagki-crave pero hindi talaga na pag lumalabas kami, meron talaga kaming dapat bilhin na snacks. Lalo kay Mishka, ayaw na na yung mga packed foods like snacks. Ayaw na ayaw niya yun kay Mishka. Ito naman yung akin guys. Avocado with condensed milk. Daddy, I'll keep this inside the ref or no? Just outside? Okay. Outside lang, so that it will get dry.